We are staying in the Sherwood Forest Camping and RV Park.
Why are we here? Well, the price was right. It's within walking distance from downtown, and we wanted to stay where Robin Hood lives. And no, we haven't seen him yet. Plus, check out this building. The owners live here. I mean, they gotta be cool, right? That is actually made with a balloon. The material is poured over it, and then the balloon is deflated, and then they build a house in there. Today's adventure brings us to the Chapel Gorge Trail. We'll be headed out this way.
This way.
All right, now before we show you some of the Wisconsin Dells attractions, we asked the locals if there were any trails in the area that would get us down to the river. This one here goes to a private beach. The history on the Dells is legend or facts. You believe the one you want. The legend states that a giant serpent slithered south from the big lake up north, carving out a path through the sandstone. And as it went, the waters from the lake followed it, creating the river.
I like that one.
Now the facts state that the Dells were formed 15,000 years ago during the glacial age, when the climate started to warm up and the glacier began to melt, creating a glacial lake. It was 150 feet deep and it was held back by an ice dam. As the temperatures continued to warm, the ice dam gave way, draining that lake to about 50 feet. All that water carved out deep and narrow gorges through the sandstone, leaving a beautiful and scenic passage along the Wisconsin River through the Dells behind it. Now the best way to see the Dells are by boat, and there are plenty of businesses here willing to take you. We've come to some stairs that will bring us out to the water. And the trail comes out to this nice little beach. And there's some of the sandstone that gives the Dells their impressiveness. Now in case you're wondering what the walls are made out of, because they look so cool, it's right here, sandstone. Don't imagine it would take much for water to cut through that and leave the beautiful edges that it has for everyone to come and enjoy. All right, well, this was one way to check out the Dells.
Let's go check out the other part.
Tugboat, we have these in Boston.
We are going to take you for a ride through downtown Dells. This is where all the merchants and the restaurants, or some of the restaurants, are. We checked out 2 of them.
All right, this is a shout out going to Jamesy Boy Experiment. Hey guys, we've watched you eat so many pierogies that you've made us really curious. And we're gonna try pierogies. Well, I am for the first time. Cheryl's tried them before.
We got sweet ones and savory ones.
All right.
What do you want to try first?
We're gonna go with the savory. That's not bad.
Potato and cheese.
Blueberry. That's good. It's different. Alright guys, now we know what you were talking about. Thank you. Deep fried cheese curds. Cheryl's trying them for the first time. What do you think?
Actually, it's good. Chuck's turn.
I'm trying more new things. Pierogies. Deep fried. What are these? Cheese curds? Not bad.
Got beers.
Curds.
Deep fried cheese curds.
Downtown Wisconsin Dells. And look at the sidewalks are practically empty. And check this out. Now, as you're walking along, every so often, you're gonna see this symbol in the cement. Can you figure it out? Let me help you. It says Dells. Welcome to the fabulous Dells Bells Wedding Chapel. Want to do it?
I'll do it again and again.
I love her. Now during the summer, this place must really get full, because they even apparently park on the side of buildings down here. And there is the dam separating the upper and lower Dells. Then on the other side of the dam is the lower Dells. And yes, they have boat rides down here too. If you want your fortune told, these things are all over the place down here.
It's only $1.
Only $1. Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, I think it was a nickel.
I can give you a fortune. Save $1.
Wow! I'm quite sure this is not what Chrysler had in mind when they built the PT Cruiser.
In this part of the Dells, they have indoor water parks, outdoor water parks, the biggest water parks, the smallest water parks.
Yep.
Check it out.
So you have the Dells Army Ducks with the lookout tower. Panning over to the right. Now what the duck boats are, is they go on land and in the water. So it's quite the adventure. Come on over here. Checking out the helicopter and a screaming kid. And over here is Bigfoot rope tours. Have a helicopter too. Hey, when in Rome, stay at the motel. A hotel. This is a huge, huge place, this Mount Olympus.
We went out behind it to try to find the parking, and it was like a maze.
Yeah. Apparently what this company did was it bought every motel that was up here and just made it their own. Oh, that's the indoor theme park back there. But just look at this thing. Unbelievable. Water park capital of America, that's for sure.
Check out the horsey.
Hey, you don't think there's anyone hiding in there, do you? Getting ready to attack the Wisconsin Dells. Oh my God, what happened to the White House?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Now this should be interesting. I knew the government was upside down. Let's go see if we can find out why. Hey, Des, they turned the White House into Jurassic Park. Presidential seal. On the limo. In 2002, the White House landed upside down in the Wisconsin Dells. To cover this fact, it was made a tourist attraction. Okay.
This is the Oval Office. It looks more like a semicircle.
This will be the briefing room.
Fox, where's Scully?
Yeah.
I know, she doesn't believe.
Well, she would if she, hey, look at all the samples from Roswell.
Oh, she would believe now.
Seriously.
Who is that down there?
Nope. Oh my God, he hid too.
Go get him.
Alright, this is Connie now. Get gone with us!
Can you open it?
It's bigger than I thought it was. I told you. It's actually a bookcase.
Is it?
Oh my God, the bookcase moves. Helps you.
I feel lopsided.
I know, it's the floor is unlevel. What do you want? It just did.
Oh, plus I'm looking up. I saw that. Drops you right in the parking lot?
Yep.
No getting back in.
Oh, you could. You just open the door.
Because it's top secret and they will kill you first.
Yeah, Cheryl and I had top secret clearance to get in there. It was called a $5 bill.
It was funny.
Yeah, we heard a lot of bad reviews on this place. But, I mean, for $5, it was something different. There is our Wisconsin Dells off-season tour. Chuck and Cheryl style. For all of our new subscribers and for anyone else that does not know, we are not big tourist attraction people. We don't spend a lot of money on tourist attractions. As a matter of fact, downtown Wisconsin Dells, there was 2 stores. Everything in there was $4.99. So yes, we did go in there and shop.
We got a couple of t-shirts and a shot glass.
Yeah, and so we shopped a lot. As far as the attractions go, some of them look kind of cool. But we did top secret. Your pass to get in there is $5 each.
Your top secret pass.
Yeah. Other than that, we kind of enjoyed the Dells, but it wasn't, people everywhere, walking around like this, like we heard it gets in the summer. So
yeah, it was off season, so it was a good time for us to go.
Yep.
But if you like water parks and amusement parks and food, go for it during the summer.
Yep. Anyway, we are leaving the Wisconsin Dells tomorrow, and we are headed down to Elkhart, Indiana. And no, we are not taking Maggie to Jayco.
No, we're trying to replace this couch, and we're putting new cushions in the dinette cushions.
Well, new foam in the
new
cushions.
New foam in the cushions.
Yeah.
Something a little bit stiffer because we feel like we sink down.
Yep. So, other than that,
I think that's it.
Yeah, we got about a 5.5 hour ride tomorrow, so we gotta go hit the hay. So, if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, the red box down there, you know what it does. Feel free to share and comment on this video.
Down there.
Because until we do another one, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We'll get going with us.
Bye.